Annyeonghaseyo from Korea, and welcome to Next Matchup. I've lived in Korea for nearly half my life, and here are my free work lunches that I get Monday through to Friday. So let's dive right in and start with Monday. You can already see a few good things there on Monday, and look at that, fried chicken with pizza. I don't know what the special occasion was, but for some reason this week there was fried chicken with pizza. I mean, it's not very Korean, right? But hey, that's what I had for lunch. Or I'm showing you what I have. I'm not lying here. This is what we eat, okay? It's not always going to be perfectly Korean. The other things we got some shrimp. We've got some eggplant and dok galbi, which is sort of like ground up beef and seaweed soup that I didn't mention. On Tuesday, we start with delicious bulgogi. Now this is Korean. Look, the pizza wasn't on Monday. But Tuesday's bulgogi, that's Korean, and that is delicious. Wonderful taste. It's just beef, fried up, bit of sesame oil. I've got the recipe on my channel here. We've got a sort of cabbage type soup, like doenjang. I have no idea what that is. I don't know. It's sort of a little bit sweet and spicy. That's cucumber muchim, and that is a radish salad. So very delicious and nice and crunchy. Perfect for a summer's day. Wednesday's meal is wonderful, especially if you're sort of trying to lose a little bit of weight. Now that's because, well, starting with the cutlet, there's a lot of flavor. Just having a little bit of that, get a little tiny bit of protein with this delicious sort of sauce that they put with it. So cutlet, that's just a pork cutlet, like a schnitzel. And then here's the healthy thing, bean sprout soup, cabbage salad, no dressing. I don't tend to prefer to have dressing on that. Some sort of fried tofu, a little bit of sort of spicy sauce on top, and sort of a fried up potato salad kind of side dish. Very good. Now, it's almost like fish and chips, but without the chips. So we've got, well, we'll get over to this one. Fried skate. Now the bones in, that's very Korean, so if you can handle sort of picking the bones out, it's quite good. Bit of zucchini. This is my favorite. I've got a lot of it. That is fish cake that's sort of been fried up. This is also a type of sort of fish cake as well, and made into a little pancake. And that's a radish sort of soup. A lot of radish in that one, not a lot of meat. Now Friday, the radish makes a return. Beef radish stew, as well as some other things. I'm not sure. We start with the rice though. This is actually one of my favorites. You've seen me mention this before. It's dried seaweed. It's very salty, and it's got a very sort of almost nutty flavor with the sesame in there. It goes perfect with rice. That's why I've got a lot of it. Smoked duck, scrambled eggs with kimchi. That's not a dish. That's just I put two things in one spot. Sometimes you're allowed to do that. Some type of sort of green there, probably like almost like a spinach. I think that one's a different one to spinach. And right there is a beef with tofu and radish stew, and it's perfect. So look, there you go. Here's all the things I've been eating this week. Hope you enjoyed learning a little bit more about what I eat. I don't usually go into too much detail on what each dish is, so if you do have any questions, ask in the comments. I'm more than happy to answer if you're curious about any of these things. But it just shows you a couple of things that I'm having, and they're very similar to what people are eating for their own dinners and lunches all around Korea. So get out there and eat some delicious food for yourself and have a great day. Thanks for watching.